How's it going, guys? So here we have a quick video overview of our full body kit for Durangos from 2015 and up, and the part number for the full kit, which comes with a front bumper, rear bumper, Fender Extensions, the rear the quarter panel, rocker panel. Part number for the full kit is BC102476. And part number for the front bumper, which comes with everything as well, part number is BC102492. Rear bumper 102493. Rocker panels BC102494. And the rear diffuser, part number for the rear diffuser is BC102528. Front lip, it would be BC102523. And the Fender Extensions, which are right over here, part number is BC102629. And everything is sold separately as well as a kit, and all the part numbers will be listed in the description below. I just wanted to showcase a quick video just for you guys' reference. So the Durango that you guys see right there, it's RT, and the main difference from the RT and the Hellcat, it will be the front lip, which you can see right there. And we already replaced the front lip with the Hellcat lip that it's also a bevel, and the part number for the front lip once again is BC102523. Also the wheels, we also have those available, which are the Hellcat Style. And the difference, as mentioned, is the front lip, the Fender Extensions. If you see right over here, they're slightly thinner compared to the, let me grab this right over here. So the extensions, they clip right in. Let me show you guys real quick. As you can see, it's a little dirty from the tray. They're brand new. They just came off of the mold. Need to be painted, of course. But it gives you like about an inch and a half extension. So you can use wider wheels if you like. So if you compare it to the RT fenders, they're about an inch and a half wider. And once again, they clip right in. So it's a fairly straightforward installation. We're just waiting for them to get wrapped to replace those. And same goes for the rocker panels. So everything clips right in. And they're slightly wider. If you see over here, let's see. Yeah, it goes right. It goes the other way. Let me see. Sorry, it goes this way. So see how it's slightly wider on the ends compared to those. And of course, a rear diffuser, which is already installed right over here. And if you guys can see, the reason it's a little bulge, there's a bulge right there, it's because it allows the tow hook for you to have access to the tow hook. Also, we have the same rear diffuser, a little more aggressive, that does not have the tow hook extension or aperture. So yeah. And once again, the kit is available at vicrez.com, and we have them in stock and ready to go. And the bumper is pretty much the same as the RT, except for the other items such as the front lip. But if you're coming from a GT, of course you're gonna need the whole both the front, rear. Or if you're coming from the older gen, from 15 and 20. From 2015 and 20, of course, you're gonna need the front lip. I'm sorry, the front bumper, rear bumper to get a new look. And it's worth noting that if you want to go with, if you have a Durango from 2011 and up, from 11 up to 2014, you're gonna need to change the, everything will fit right in except for the headlights. You would have to replace your headlights for the newer headlights. Other than that, everything else will work right. And as well, we have the hood, the Hellcat hood. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. And yeah, it comes with pretty much all the accessories, even the little trim right here that goes right on the back of your Durango, which you can see right here. Also, I'll have the wheels linked in the description below. But yeah, so once again, guys, if you have any questions or any in regards to the fitment or whatnot, or products, pretty much it's like it has the same fitment as OEM. So and it comes with everything needed to properly install it onto your vehicle. Thank you guys as always, and we'll see you guys next time.